Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Travel Cinema Official. If you want to escape from the hectic and busy city life, then a getaway to the countryside with a beautiful scenery like this is a must. Today we are heading to a destination called the Umkhoi Canyon and Kolington Lake. So let's leave behind the chaos for some silence and find out where the location is exactly situated. The real beauty of Shillong is not at the city but to the countryside. Just 30 minutes out of the city, and the scenery has already changed. From concrete to pine forests, this is the beauty of Meghalaya. We are traveling again after a long gap. In fact, after several months. And these are the roads that make us feel alive. Watch the video till the end, as it only gets better from here on. After covering a distance of 35 kilometers, which took us 1 hour to reach, we are now at Umkhoi Canyon and the Kolington Lake. This is where the trek begins. Just a single boat, no signal, no sign of people, just this beautiful landscape around. Come, let's find out if the canyon and the lake are two separate places or just a single location. All right, guys, this trail is wild, no footsteps ahead, just a bit slippery and overgrown. The canyon is right ahead. Let's go and explore. This trail is not a difficult one, but it gets narrower and more beautiful. Sometimes not knowing where you're going is the best part. Right now, we are standing at this wooden bridge, and behind me is the canyon. This place is very beautiful. It's quiet. You can also hear the sound of the water flowing. And I think this spot has been kept hidden on purpose. Look at this landscape. It's so green and fresh. Everything here is untouched. It is the kind of place where you start noticing tiny things. Nature really doesn't miss a single detail. It seems there is also a waterfall nearby. However, we will not be visiting that waterfall today because we are already late and need to return back home. If you're tired of the city life, come here. There are no crowds, but only this beautiful view. The villagers we met at the canyon also suggested us for camping, which can be done at this canyon. Umkhoi Canyon and Kolington Lake are not tourist spots, they are escapes. Come and visit this place and experience it for yourself. If you have enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe to Travel Cinema Official. We will see you soon again in our next episode. Thanks for watching.